Hare Krishna. So Sanjay is very, very ecstatic. Let's hear from Sanjaya what he is feeling after taking darshan of Lord Krishna. He is speaking this very clearly and exclusively in Shloka number 77. Tacha samsmritya samsmritya Rupam atyadbhutam harehe Vismayo me mahan rajan Rishyami cha punah punah. So here Sanjay is saying that, O Rajan, O King, samsmritya samsmritya, as I remember, what? Tat rupam ati adbhutam harehe. As I remember that wonderful form of Lord Krishna. Vismayah me mahan. I am struck with wonder more and more. He is struck with great wonder. And what is he feeling? Rishyami cha punah punah. I rejoice it again and again. I am rejoicing it again and again. Now here, Sanjaya is extremely happy because he has heard the conversation of Krishna and Arjuna. And that talk itself is giving him so much of happiness that he is going very ecstatic. But along with that, he has taken darshan. He has taken darshan of Lord's form. And when he is remembering that form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, he is becoming more and more happy. He is rejoicing that thought or that remembrance of Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna. So here it is said, it appears that Sanjaya also by the grace of Vyasa could see the universal form Krishna exhibited to Arjuna. Now it is a known fact which we have discussed in 11th chapter Gita, universal form, that this universal form was never shown to anyone before, and it might be never shown to anyone in future, but it was something that was shown only and only and only to Arjuna. But now when that universal form was displayed on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, and Arjuna is witnessing that, and I hope all of us remember that movie that we watched, where he was paying obeisance from front, from sides and from back, and then he was like ecstatic, and at the same time he was very, very fearful. And then he's requesting Krishna, please come back to your two-handed form. I want to take darshan of your beautiful two-handed form. So when all this was going on, there were some personalities on the battlefield and people sitting in the palace who had the opportunity to take darshan of that ati adbhutam rupam, that most wonderful form of Lord Krishna, the universal form. Now this darshan Sanjaya got. But what qualification did Sanjaya have? What qualification he had? The qualification that Sanjaya had was, he was the disciple of Vyasadeva. And here it is described, Vyasa was one of those great devotees who got darshan of the Lord. So here we have to understand, he is one of the great devotees of the Lord and he is considered to be a powerful incarnation of Krishna. So Vyasa is not just a devotee, a great devotee, but along with that he is a powerful incarnation of Krishna. Vyasa disclosed this universal form to his disciple Sanjay, who remembered that wonderful form of Krishna exhibited to Arjuna and enjoyed it repeatedly. Actually, if we properly analyze, what qualification we have to practice devotional service? Here we understood that what was Sanjaya's qualification to take darshan of universal form of Krishna? That was mercy of Vyasadeva. Similarly, when it comes to us, what is our qualification to hear Bhagavad-gita, to understand the Bhagavad-gita, to take darshan of the Lord, to engage in various devotional service, which we have been doing? So, how come? Are we qualified for all this? In a very nice song, it is sung Yogyata vichare kichu nahi pae tumhara karuna sar. So there's a song that is sung glorifying the spiritual master. And here it is said that, O Gurudev, O dear spiritual master, Yogyata vichare kichu nahi pae. If you are analyzing my qualification, you will not get anything. You will not see that I have any qualification. But then the only thing that you will see is I am just made up of Tumara Karuna Sar. The only thing that you will find is I am able to render these devotional service. I am able to do something in Krishna consciousness because I have your mercy, O Gurudev. So today, if we all of us are coming together like this, understanding Gita, chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and rendering various devotional services, which is very, very rare in this age of Kali, it's only and only and only by the mercy of great personalities like Srila Prabhupada. It's by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada that today we, who had no knowledge about Krishna consciousness, have got some experience and some knowledge in Krishna consciousness, and now we have become eager to render service in Krishna consciousness. It's only by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada that now we are eager to serve Krishna as the servants of Krishna. Before we came to ISKCON, or before Srila Prabhupada entered our life through his Bhaktivedanta purports, we were always in a mood that I am the master. Even now we are in the mood that we are the master. But then, at least now we have the knowledge that I am part and parcel of Krishna and I am supposed to serve Krishna. So Krishna gives darshan in various ways. He gives his darshan through his instruction. He gives his darshan in the form of his holy name. So when we are chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which Srila Prabhupada made it publicly available to everyone, and when we hear it very, very carefully, we are actually taking darshan of the Lord in the sound form, in the Nama Rupa, yes, in the form of sound. So it's a very, very important thing to note that when we are chanting the holy names, and if we chant attentively and if we are able to hear each and every word in the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we are actually taking darshan of the Lord in the form of sound vibrations. That's why this Hare Krishna Mahamantra is so miraculous, that there are personalities like Haridas Thakur in the past, and there are many personalities now in the present also. They are not able to stop chanting on beats. They are continuing. Where they stop, where they keep their beads aside, but the tongue is still vibrating the holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. They are not able to stop. Why? Because they are experiencing Lord Shri Krishna in this Mahamantra. Because Nam and Nami are non-different. This Hare Krishna Mahamantra is non-different from Krishna. So they are able to experience Lord Shri Krishna in these holy names. And when they are experiencing the Lord, who would like to stop that wonderful experience? Here Sanjay is not able to stop seeing the universal form, remembering the universal form. And someone who comes in touch with the wonderful, beautiful form of Lord Shri Krishna, who will give up that? Who will give up that? And that's the reason the great devotees who have tasted in the holy name, they continuously keep chanting. Incessantly they keep chanting. So, the experience that Sanjaya got, taking darshan of the universal form, we ourselves can also experience the same. Or in fact, I can say, much, much better experience than that when we hear the holy name of the Lord clearly. So every day when we are chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we should endeavor to take darshan of the Lord. Not through imagining the form. That will be revealed to us later. There is no need to imagine. But as of now, we have to perfect our chanting and hearing. When we perfect our chanting and hearing, automatically by the mercy of the Lord, with time, when we get purified, the form also will be revealed to us. And when after the form, even the Leela of the Lord will be revealed to us. And the gunas or the qualities of the Lord will be revealed to us. And finally, the Dham, the holy abode of the Lord will be revealed to us. So there is no need of any artificial imagination concoction here. What is needed is sincere, serious attempt to chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and a serious, sincere attempt to hear Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And Srila Prabhupada said, 99% of our spiritual advancement lies in the quality of our chanting. So yes, we have to chant 16 rounds minimum 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Follow the four relative principles of no meat eating, no gambling, no illicit sex, no intoxication. Follow the instructions given by Srila Prabhupada to us and render devotional service. And by their mercy, by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and the Acharyas, we will also experience the bliss similar to what Sanjaya was experiencing. But still the question is not answered. When Dhritarashtra is asking to Sanjaya that, Sanjaya, tell me, when my sons and the sons of Pandu, when they came with the spirit to fight on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, which is Dharmakshetra, what happened? And Sanjaya is telling, I am feeling very nice, I am feeling very ecstatic. But where is the answer? Dhritarashtra might be thinking, what are you saying? Tell me what happened on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. And finally now, Sanjaya is going to answer this question in the last shloka of Bhagavad-gita. So let's hear from Sanjaya what happened in the battlefield of Kurukshetra in the next video. Hare Krishna.